Hi there, it's Terry here, your trust real estate agent and business coach. I hope you're doing well today. I wanted to share some exciting news with you. As you know, I have been working in the real estate industry for quite some time now. But where you might not know is that I'm also a passionate entrepreneur and business builder. Recently, I have developed a new business model called APG Connect that can help you unlock the full potential of your property and your business profits. First and foremost, I wanted to express my gratitude for your support and for being a valued member of my database. I believe in building long-term business relationships and adding value to your life, whether it's through real estate service or business coaching. So, what is APG Connect all about? It's a suite of new smart services and unique value-add solutions designed to help you sell your property quickly and with less stress, purchase the right property and make smart investment, and even earn passive income through our dynamic B2B2C affiliate marketing program solution. And as a special bonus for being part of my database, I'm offering you exclusive access to my free VIP inner circle. As a member of our exclusive club, you will get access to my exclusive VIP packs with our valuable services. But enough from me. I'll let the service speak for themselves. Check out the link below to learn more about the APG Connect and discover which areas interest you in the most. Oh, and one more thing. I have also started a YouTube channel called Ask Terry, where I share helpful tips and advice on real estate and business coaching. You might find it useful, so be sure to check it out. Thanks for watching, and I cannot wait to help you take your property and business to the next level. Let's do this.